Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily hide all your Facebook photos at once. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner and then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on settings and privacy. Now once you're on this page you'll have to click on settings on the top, and after that you'll have to scroll down, and right in the audience and visibility section you'll be able to find an option of profile and tagging. You'll have to tap on click and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, now you'll have to click on who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile, and right here you'll have to choose only me. Now anything that you'll post on Facebook and anything that you will be tagged on Facebook on your timeline, it will be hidden and only you'll be able to see those photos and videos and posts on your timeline. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.